Welcome to Herbal Snippets. I'm Rosalee de la Forêt, here to share quick, practical insights about herbs. I'm also the founder of Herbs with Rosalee, an herbal school, community, and podcast where we celebrate the art of herbalism together. Want to learn more? Visit herbswithrosalee.com or check out the link in the description to join our free herbal community. Now, let's dive into today's Herbal Snippet. Plantain is an obvious choice for many first aid or acute inflammations, but it's equally useful for chronic hot conditions, especially in the digestive tract. A strong plantain leaf tea can be one of the most dramatic healers for inflammatory digestive problems, including intestinal permeability or leaky gut, ulcers, and inflammatory bowel diseases. In this situation, plantain soothes the inflamed tissues and helps to heal the tissues, which is what we say is vulnerary. It also helps to prevent bacterial overgrowth as an antimicrobial, and it can seemingly knit those tissues back together with its astringent properties. I'll share my recipe and best tips for making a strong plantain leaf tea in just a bit. Plantain is also a powerful healer for the upper digestive tract. It can relieve the pain of canker sores and speed up the healing of those tissues. It's also a nice tea to include for people who have acid reflux, as it can soothe and heal the tissues in the esophagus. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.